2008 Ducati 848 Superbike with the Termi exhaust. I'm gonna walk around and I'll show you any damage that I saw. If anything, it looks like just wear and tear. A little dark. So here on the fairing, a little bit of rub, and then back here on the back, some scuffs. Most of it is contained to the back, and then up here in the front, he's got rock chips. Down on the fairing there. Yeah, let's start it up. It's a cold start. So grab everything.